Hi everyone, welcome to the episode of Root Cultures. In this week's episode, we're going to look at a follow-up of episode 30. So that was a tip on growing tassel fern. We look at how to repot tassel fern, and in this method, we're going to show you a better way to protect your tassel fern tips, such that they are not damaged. And so the preparation step is to prepare the pot, which is to cut the bottom of the orchid basket. So what we're going to do is to invert this plant such that it's hanging down. So with this step, what we're going to do is to just check the roots and to see whether the root ball has any pests or anything that shouldn't be there. So we're going to speed up the inspection process, but ideally when you're doing repotting, it's always a good practice to check the roots and also the leaves. So once you've done all the inspection and preparation, so this is the part where it's an improved section, and that is to protect the leaves. So we're wrapping the leaf in newspaper. So the style we're wrapping it is similar to a popiah or a sushi or even a burrito, where you want to wrap the leaves tightly, but also gently at the same time. You don't want to damage the leaves. So we're going to time lapse along the way because this gentle step is a bit time consuming. And we want to ensure that all the leaves are covered. So once we're done protecting all the leaves, the next step is to insert the plant through the pot. And then to top it up with media. So here we're using cocoa husk, which when combined with the orchid basket gives it a good airflow and also allows the roots to latch on nicely into the media. So here we are ensuring that all the gaps are completely filled up. And so this is what the final outcome should be. Much less invasive from the episode 30, but also a bit faster since the orientation of the plant or the direction of the plant is really confined to the newspaper. So how we'll water is then to water from the top and to perform the deep watering method, which is to allow the water to flow out continuously for a couple of seconds even after the water has flowed out of the pot. Do share with us your experience in the comment section below, or do tag us on Instagram at The Root Cultures and show us what you have completed. We'll love to see it.